What is up, guys? My name is Pocketcraft, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an automatic wool farm in Minecraft Pocket Edition. This works for all other versions of Minecraft as well, Java and Bedrock. So this farm is actually super easy and simple to build, and so I'll try and make it quick so I don't waste your time when it doesn't need to be wasted. So you're really not going to need that much, basically just like a dispenser, a dropper, a chest, hopper, a minecart hopper, some rails, a lever, sheep, and that's basically it, and some shears. So what you're going to do, put a dispenser right in front of where you want the sheep to be. So if this is your dispenser, your sheep will be right here. Next thing up, it would probably be best to make your collection system. So we're going to want to dig down a little bit here, and there's actually water here, which is a little obnoxious, but that's okay. Sorry about that, fix the water. So what you're going to want to do is put a chest right here with a hopper going into it. So you have to crouch place for the hopper to go in there. And then you're going to want to put a minecart with a hopper right here. And so you want it to face this way. You'll have to crouch again. You want the rails to face this way. And then put your minecart with the hopper right there. And then place a block here so it doesn't slide off of there. So that way it's fit perfectly. Then you can close all of this up. Obviously, you'll probably want an opening around where the chest is so you can reach it. We'll actually have a block right here, but we'll have this open here probably so you can reach down to it. You can design that on your own in your world. Next up, we need to figure out how this is going to actually shear the sheep, right? So we want to put an observer right under here facing that way. So you want the little red dot facing you. You put a block right there. Then you need to place one dot of redstone right there. Then after that, put one shear inside of your dispenser. And now we just need to place where we're actually going to have the sheep. So grab some glass and build up a little 2-wall area in front of here. We'll have it right there so that your sheep can't get out. And now you'll have to crouch place to put it on top of here. And then to get your sheep actually in here, there's a couple different ways you can do it. So I would you could use rails, but I would recommend the easiest way is honestly just with wheat. It won't be an issue at all. All you really got to do, so pretend this was a sheep in the overworld. You can bring it over like this. It'll follow you. And just come back over here a little bit. It should hop up on there. And then you can just kind of come back here and just kind of nudge him in, which it'll take a second. It might be a little bit difficult at first, but after a few tries, you should be able to get him in there pretty easily. Then you'll immediately want to jump up and trap him in there and then put a roof on it. And then this farm is actually fully functioning. As soon as he eats that grass, which will happen eventually, this will go off and it will shear his wool. And we can make this go a little bit faster just to show you. If I put a lever here and then turn it on, it'll shear him. Then I'll break that lever because you don't want the lever there. This won't work. And now once he eats, it'll shear him again and because the wool will replenish and you'll get the wool. So this is how you make the farm. Super, super easy. Now, if you want to expand this farm, there is a much cheaper way to do it than just doing this over and over again. So I'll show you how you can save a lot of iron on resources. And I'll show you that over here. So it's a little bit noisy over here, and I'll show you why in a second, but this is a much easier way to make one more efficient. One, you got a bunch of different colors here, so you can get different colors of wool for building blocks. And two, as a little design feature that you can do, you can use stained glass to try and make it look a little bit nicer. But what I did here, I'll show you guys, and you can't sort out what you want as much here into different chests. I mean, you could, but it'd be way more expensive. So what you want to do is just place some powered rails right here, and have one on the other end as well. And if this is longer, you may need some in the middle. Power them with just a lever is probably easiest. And then a minecart with a hopper can go back and forth under the sheep and pick up all their stuff. Then you only need one hopper, and it'll funnel all the wool into the chest. So I actually made this in my Minecraft Pocket Edition Survival Guide series. It works perfectly, so if you'd like to see how it works, not in creative, I have it over there. But also, you should just go check out that series. If you like Minecraft Pocket Edition, you like Let's Plays, you like to learn how to do things in Minecraft Pocket Edition, because it's a blast. We have tons of fun. So go check that out. But if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Helps me out a ton. And I'll see you guys all in that next video.